How to apply Shane on Audacity. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to apply Shane on Audacity easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Audacity. This is the home page, as you can see. Now all what you have to do is just go here in the top corner and click on file, and then all what you have to do is so simple. Click down here on Shane's and click on apply Shane. And now, as you can see, we'll be able to select a Shane from here and click apply to files. It's actually very easy. So if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.